Hello, this is a short tutorial on how to get to Pathblazer, which is an excellent resource through Fort Worth ISD that helps you practice math, and it is all free thanks to Fort Worth ISD. So to get there, I had to go in as a student so I could show you what it looks like as a student. So you're going to go to your My Class link, which is where you find your Google Classroom and everything else. And you're going to go to, some of you have these extra folders. That just means there's more apps than there's space for. So if you have it and it looks like it's in an extra folder like this, you could just get to it by clicking on it. And then you'll see all the other icons. What you're going to look for is Pathblazer K through 5 student. Okay, so there is a lantern with the red background. So you will click on that. And you should not need to log in or do anything extra. I have logged in as Solmary today. Hopefully that's okay with her because I had to log in as a student in order to show you what it looks like as a student. Because a teacher's view looks completely different. I have put in several assignments, enough to last you for a while, a number since. So there's plenty of extra practice for you, but these are fun games. So the student will really enjoy playing, but at the same time, they're going to be learning. And this is paid for by Fort Worth ISD. So obviously, we're going to want us to be doing these types of things. And Ms. Shaw will be able to see your progress. So if you are completing assignments, I'll be able to see that. Again, this is an extra resource. I understand not everyone has internet capabilities and things like that. So this is for you to do when you're able to. So I've already uploaded assignments. It says Kelly Shaw Math Kindergarten. You're going to click on that. And then I've put in all these assignments under number sense. So you're going to click on that. And then you're just going to go through. So first we're working on reading numbers. These are going to go in order, okay? So you're going to start here on the left first. All of these things are all reading number practice, okay? So there's plenty of practice to be done, but let me show you what it looks like. So you're going to click on the first one, and it tells you what you're doing. So this actual activity and practice is count numbers 1 to 5, which is what we are doing this week. And so there are 1 of 12. So you could keep going in order until you get to 12. So you'll click on go. There's going to be a go. So you just click the arrow. Okay, and in order to go back, you can just press the back arrow, and then you can click on this to get back to your menu. And then down here is exit. Exit. It starts off with instruction and practice, and then it goes into supported practice. And as you go on and on, it will be more independent. But for now, it's going to be supported, which means that they're helping you through the practice. But it's a great resource to use. So you're going to go to it from my class link, your apps, and then it looks like this, the Pathblazer. And I will be able to see your progress. So I hope that you guys are going to be practicing because it's a lot of fun and it's actually going to be helpful. Thank you.